Hello guys, so if you're looking to buy something on Temu, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place. Next, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, open the application. Now just simply choose a product, whatever you want. Let's search for example, drone. Now after searching your product, just simply pick your product that you want. Let's say I want this one, so just simply click on it. Now all you have to do is just simply click on add to cart. Again, click on add to cart if you don't want to get multiple quantities, or if you want to change colors, you can also do that from over here. Or if you want to increase the quantity, you can do over here by clicking on the plus icon and minus icon. Now after you've done all of it, just simply choose add to cart. Now as you can see, one item has been added to our cart. Now click on that option over here. Now over here you will find your item. So now just simply click on checkout, then just simply again click on continue to checkout. Now over here what you have to do is just simply enter all of your details regarding your address. So first do that and make sure it is all correct. So after entering all the details, just simply hit save. Now choose your payment method over here. Now you can choose Visa. You can also add a card by clicking on add a new card over here. Then you can add your card, or you can use PayPal, Cash App, Afterpay, Google Pay, etc. Now choose one. I'm going to choose Google Pay. Now just simply click on submit order, then click on continue to submit. So after completing your payment process, your order will be completed and you will receive your order within 7 to 10 days. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.